नमस्ते। सरस्वती शिशु विद्या मंदिर धर्मगढ़ welcomes you to its online classes. I am Sri Biranchi Narayan Sahu Acharya, presenting you the chapter 4 of 7th English, that is Birsa Munda part 2. In the previous class, we have studied about the early life of Birsa Munda. Now let us read SGP 2. From very young age, Birsa was against superstitions. Once his left leg was wounded while cutting wood. He went to a village quack. The quack said that the wound was caused by an evil spirit. Birsa would have to sacrifice a goat to cure himself of his wound. Birsa did not do this. Instead, he told people not to believe in superstitions. His fight against superstitions turned into a movement. He fought against cruel moneylenders and policemen. The number of Birsa's followers increased day by day. They fought against superstitions, cruel moneylenders, landlords and policemen. Considering him as a threat, the British government joined hands with the moneylenders and landlords. Small battles were fought between the government and the followers of Birsa. In one battle at Khunti, the British police was defeated. Now come to the word meanings. Superstition, belief without based on facts, blind belief, andha vishwasa. Wounded, injured, cut his leg, hani hoijiba. Quack, a person who does treatment of people without proper knowledge, especially in villages. गाँ वैध गुणिया. एविल बैड खराब. स्पिरिट सोल आत्मा. एविल स्पिरिट घोस्ट भूत. सैक्रिफाइस टू गिव ए गिफ्ट ऑफ एनिमल हियर गोट टू गॉड और गॉडेस टू विन देयर फेवर बलिदान करिबा. मूवमेंट मास फाइट टू अचीव समथिंग आंदोलन. क्रुएल मर्सीलेस heartless, nishtura. Money lenders, a person who gives money to people in their need and collects it afterwards with interest. टंका सुध कारोबार करुवा व्यक्ति. Threat, a person or object that is regarded as a danger, विपद. Battle, fight, युद्ध, संघर्ष. Defeated, subjugated, beaten, overcome, परास्त हेले बाहरी गले. Now come to some questions with answers. Question 1. Which quality of Birsa is described in this passage? Birsa's bravery, consciousness on superstitions and leadership qualities are described in this passage. What happened to Birsa while he was cutting wood? While Birsa was cutting wood, his left leg was wounded. Question 3. Why did Birsa go to a village quack? Birsa went to the village quack to get the treatment of his wound. Question 4. What did the quack advise Birsa? The quack advised Birsa to sacrifice a goat to cure himself of his wound. Question 5. Is the tradition of sacrificing animals to gods or goddess good? What did Birsa do to check this superstition? No, the tradition of sacrificing animals to gods or goddesses is not good. Birsa told people not to believe in superstitions. His fight against superstitions became a movement. Question 6. Birsa fought against three things. What are they? The three things Birsa fought against are superstitions, cruel moneylenders, landlords and the British police. Question 7. A lot of people became Birsa's followers. What qualities of Birsa could have attracted them towards him? A lot of people became Birsa's followers. His qualities of bravery, leadership and awareness on superstitions could have attracted other people. Question 8. Why did the British government join hands with moneylenders and the landlords? The British government considered Birsa as a threat, so they joined hands with the moneylenders and landlords to suppress Birsa's movement. Question 9. Who fought against the followers of Birsa? The British government fought against Birsa's followers. Question 10. Where was the British force defeated by Birsa and his followers? The British force was defeated by Birsa and his followers at Khunti. Keep learning. Thank you. Be safe. Stay at home.